Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use Systeme.io, even if you're a complete beginner. Systeme.io is an all-in-one platform that helps you create sales funnels, build email lists, and even sell your courses online. So let's jump right in. First things first, go to the Systeme.io website. I'll leave a link in the description below for you. Click on Get Started for free. Fill in your name, email address, and password, and you're in. Once you log in, you'll see the dashboard. Here, you'll find everything you need to build your business. On the left side, there are menus like funnels, emails, blogs, and automation. Let's start by creating a funnel. Click on the Funnels tab, then click the Create button. Give your funnel a name. Choose the goal, like building an email list or selling a product, and click Create Funnel. Now, you'll see some default steps, like a squeeze page or thank you page. Click on a step to edit it. You can choose a template and then click Edit Page to customize it. When the page editor opens, you can add text, images, videos, or buttons by simply dragging and dropping them. Click on any element to change the text or images. It's super easy and intuitive. Next, let's set up your email automation. Go to the Emails tab and click on Campaigns to create a new email series. Write your emails and set up when they should be sent to your subscribers. This helps you build a strong relationship with your audience. Once you're done setting up your funnel and emails, it's time to launch. Click on the Funnels tab again, copy the funnel link, and share it with your audience. That's it! You're ready to start capturing leads and making sales!